Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adiah, and if you're new here, thank you for clicking on my video and I hope you stay. And if you're not, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and watch my videos to the end because it helps my YouTube on the back end. And yeah, so I bought a shit ton of street food. Like guys, this video has expanded my taste buds because I have eaten some things that I didn't show my reactions to this video. That's why I'm here to tell you guys. But let me know if you want me to do a video like this and show my reaction next one. So yeah. Then abacha. Somebody told me that the way I eat Igbo food and I end up getting married to an Igbo person. I also eat abacha, courtesy of my grandmother. No, she's not Igbo. She was not Igbo rather. But we did have a lot of Igbo family friends growing up, so yeah, I think that's why. So anyways, I eat abacha. I love abacha, and I like upaka. Like I really like it when it's so much, when it's almost as much. Okay, not almost as much, but when it's a lot in the abacha, like, and onions and fried fish. Ooh, that shit hits different. Please, if you know, you know. Okay. What is this one?
Eh?
What is this one?
This one? I am.
What's this one?
Adabino.
This one, how do you sell it?
I get 15 naira, I get 100. Okay,
give me this one 50. Give me this one 50. Okay, so dates and tiger nuts. Now, I know dates and tiger nuts, but the guy, the malam, was calling me to one weird name. It's probably a name Sasha. Obviously, I didn't even put in my whole life, but not that special stuff. I didn't even ask me how. I always think about this, but I just never actively always have it. And yo, best believe that shit is sweet. Tiger nuts on the other hand, I know tiger nuts usually are sweet and like milky type thing, but the one I had in this video was not nice. It was dry and was raspy, so I didn't like it. What I think it might be, that thing is sugar. This unified, like I couldn't eat everything in one day. I feel like I'm going to have overload diabetes, so I gave one to my brother, I gave one to my sister. I really shared it and then I ate the remaining one. But yeah. So granules, obviously you guys should be familiar with this one now. So my sister used to eat granola all the time. I don't really usually eat granola because it makes me break the freak out. So I don't eat granola. But yeah, granola is the street food. I always eat on the food and I say, so yeah. Then this fruit salad. You guys, this fruit salad looks up to me. Oh God. Oh Lord. Because I don't understand how somebody can put banana and watermelon and pineapple in the same plate. They don't put milk on top. What? You guys, like it bothered me. It really bothered me. Because God. I mean, the banana was not fresh. It was not like it was already sliced into the plate. She sliced it and put it in the plate, but the bunch itself wasn't fresh. And it was just like, okay, sis, you trying to kill me or what? Because like, I don't get this. But I didn't eat it. I just couldn't eat it. They gave it to my sister to eat. I should actually eat it. I don't know. They're really aliens.
Is it beans? What's that? Corn. How much is it? 15 naira.
Okay, so this thing is going to be on the screen right now. Guys, this is firsthand one of the most terrible things I've tasted in my life. Lord have mercy. So the guy said it was corn, and apparently there are two types. It's white and then it's a yellow one. And I don't know what they used to eat. Maybe that was my mistake. I should have asked them what they used to eat. But you guys, when I tell you that I threw this thing away with the speed of light, I just could not. Cause like it was it was so bad. Like it was 15 naira per set.
Give me semo. Which soup? Okay, give me egusi. How much are you selling? 200. Okay.
Then semo and egusi soup. Now I never knew they used to hawk swallow. That thing came as a shock to me. When I saw this thing, I was like, what? I never knew. But I mean, I guess it's like innovative. I mean, that's the only word I can go home for. But it's wow. Even if there's hawk swallow, it's just like some of the working rice. Do people do that? Wow. Anyway, it was just, I'll leave the prices for everything that I bought on the screen. Then ice cream. This is like this fun you got now. You guys are familiar with this stuff. I actually really like it. Like just called like this slim thick journey. This figure 8 challenge doesn't let me do a lot of things because like I really like ice cream. I have such a sweet tooth. I don't think I've ever said that, but I have such a sweet tooth. I like to be sweet. So yes.
Okay. Then pomo.
Pomo na 50 naira.
Fish 100 naira.
Yeah.
So if I want one pomo, one fish, it's one fish.
You need pepper.
Okay.
This fish and pomo, or people call it kanda, or I think it's cow skin, right? I think that's like the English cow skin. Anyways, I always used to see these people pass. They carry like this big bowl of things in bottles. So after I bought the pomo and fish, I asked the woman what were those things. So in one basket was like gin, whiskey, that kind of stuff, and then she was like the other ones that were like bigger bottles, it's like herbal medicine. I was like, oh okay. But anyways, the fish and pomo was horrible. The pomo was so strong I could not bite through it, and the fish had a funky ass smell. I don't know, it didn't taste as bad, but you have like I'm smelling it before I'm eating it, and the smell was not bearable. So I just tasted it and it was not bad, but it was just not like something I could eat. I know. I really want to know what you guys think. Have you guys ever seen any of these meals? Like, just let me know. Have you tasted it? Please let me know in the comments, okay?
16 naira. Okay, give me one.
Okay, so meat pie. Now, this meat pie was funny because you would, oh my god, you will see the feeling. The feeling of this thing was like straight up 4 pieces of potato and Maggi. I'm not joking, sprinkle on Maggi. But for some reason, it was so okay. Let me just say, to me, it was filling. Like I ate the 2 I bought, and I didn't eat till like a while. It was actually filling. I need knowledge. Be running on streets.
10 naira for one. Okay. Give me 15 naira. Do you have onions?
Then I used to eat this thing, not all the time though, but I used to eat it, and I like it because of the, I don't know if it's the actually they put, or the pepper, and without the pepper it tastes like air. I kid you not, honestly, it tastes like air, or to me sure, but it doesn't taste that nice. So I always like them to put a lot of pepper into the yachi. So yeah. So now I'm no stranger to okpa. I eat okpa all the time. My grandma, that's recipes, always used to do okpa, so I am no stranger to okpa. The one I really like is the one that has leaf inside and not bitter leaf vegetable. That's one I really like. And lots of onion and sweet my grandmother. Anyways, but I like the one with leaf. I don't like it. I mean, the one without leaf is okay, but I prefer the one with leaf. This video was such an adventurous video for me to film because God knows I ate a lot. I ate a lot of things, but all the same, it was nice. I'm going to do another street food video, but just a different type. So if you have any ideas, maybe in the comment section. I really had fun filming this video, no share. So don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, watch my videos to the end. If you don't watch it to the end, like, if you don't watch my videos to the end, like. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys next time.